Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware, here to show you how to repair a leaking hose bib when it's leaking at the handle. Shuts off okay when you're using it dripping on the ground. There's two kinds of basic seals for all faucets, and you need to know what kind you have so that you can easily repair it. So you'll notice under the faucet there are two nuts. The upper nut, when there's two, is usually the packing nut. And under the packing nut is a graphite packing, and what it does is, when you tighten it, it keeps water from leaking out from underneath the handle. The problem is, if you tighten it too tight, it won't turn good because there'll be too much tension on the stem. Too loose, as you can see right here, it's a leaker. And when I tighten a packing nut, I tighten it as I'm turning the faucet back and forth. And the goal here is to feel the tension. It's starting to get a little firmer. There. This turns with some friction now. It's not loose. And look, I turn it on and no water's leaking out anymore. If I over tighten it, the lady who lives here won't like it. Rita will not be able to turn the faucet on and off with her arthritic hands. Too loose, it's leaking on the ground. Packing nut keeps water from leaking out through the handle, which is a rotating thing its whole life. After 5-10 years, that packing wears out, it's going to leak out through the handle. A little turn of the packing nut, don't get too aggressive, and as you're tightening the packing nut, turn the stem back and forth while you're tightening it, and you can feel it get stiffer and stiffer. You get too stiff, you can always back it off a little. Tightening it is a balancing act. Outside faucet repair, quick tips from MrHardware.com.